The civil authorities have issued a child abduction emergency for Coryell TX, Lampasas TX, Bell TX, Burnet TX, Llano TX, Williamson TX, Milam TX, Burleson TX, Robertson TX, McLennan TX, TX, Saba TX, McCulloch TX, Mason TX, Kimble TX. The civil authorities have issued a child abduction emergency for Coryell TX, Lampasas TX, Bell TX, Burnet TX, Llano TX, Williamson TX, Milam TX, Burleson TX, Robertson TX, McLennan TX, TX, Mills TX, Saba TX, McCulloch TX, Mason TX, Kimble TX, Brazos TX, Washington TX, Austin TX, Colorado TX, TX, Gillespie TX, Blanco TX, Travis TX, Bastrop TX, Fayette TX, TX, Kendall TX, Hayes TX, and Caldwell TX, beginning at 10:14 p.m. Tuesday, November 4th and ending at 10:14 p.m. Wednesday, November 5th. Local Amber Alert. Abducted child from Austin, Texas. Missing child is Armani Woods, 15-year-old black male. Suspect is Kayla Washington, 32.